Hi friends, here in the south we've had some very bad storms with flooding and all, and in a few hours we're going to have to start collecting water because it won't be suitable for drinking anymore. We have to collect water for 2 or 3 days, or maybe more if it goes on. While doing this, I was thinking of what food can I prepare for 3 days that will require the least amount of water and that I can keep in the fridge. But then I came up with a doubt. If I put a salad in the fridge, should I season it or not? Which will last more before going brown? The seasoned lettuce or the fresh lettuce? So that's what I'm going to test. Half of this lettuce will go in one container with no seasoning, and the rest will go in another container with some salt, oil, vinegar, lemon juice, and we'll see after 1, 2 or 3 days which salad looks best. This is the video I'm doing now. I've already cut it into small slices. Then I take one bunch for this container and this other bunch for this container. Then this container, which is painted on the outside, is the one that will have seasoning, and this other one won't have seasoning. And this one will be my lunch. We leave it in the lower part of the fridge with the veggies. Now we drip in some lemon juice, some drops of vinegar, just a few drops, some olive oil, we mix it well. We check it how it tastes. I forgot the salt. Oh. There, that's perfect. Well seasoned, and now we cover it and put it in the fridge next to the other container. And after a few days, we'll see how they evolve. 24 hours later, we can see that the non-seasoned lettuce looks crisp and fresh. No brown spots anywhere. It looks great. And the seasoned lettuce has got compacted. It occupies about half the height it had in the container before seasoning it. Apparently the seasoning has softened the lettuce, making it less crisp. It has no brownish spots yet, but it's more compact. After 48 hours, the fresh lettuce is still quite crisp and has body, but you can notice that it is starting to turn brown in the white part. You can see some brownish tone there coming up. And the other one, there's no brown spots visible, and it's still soft and squashed because it isn't crispy anymore, but it isn't oxidizing and no brown spots on it. "72 hours after putting in the fridge. The fresh lettuce that wasn't seasoned shows noticeable brown spots on all the leaves. It still is a bit crispy in appearance, but we have all the white parts with brown spots. That means it's oxidizing. and it doesn't look very good on the plate. The one that I seasoned still is very compact, and it shows no brown spots of oxide. So in appearance it looks very good. I'm going to try it, see how it feels to taste. It's very soft, not as crispy as fresh, recently seasoned lettuce. It's edible, and it isn't bad, and it looks good on the plate. No brown spots on any part of it. I'm going to season this to see how it tastes. Tastes very crispy and tastes quite okay, except for the brown spots. I don't think it will do any harm. It's quite tasty. Well, that's it. It's your decision if you season it before putting it in the fridge or you don't. There's a slight difference in the appearance of the lettuce, but the taste is very similar. So, it's up to you. I hope you liked this video, and if you did, please remember to give it a thumbs up, share, subscribe, and thanks for watching. Bye bye.